It's almost 10 days since I uploaded the video on my YouTube. I don't benefit anything from doing the giveaway, so uh, every time when I'm doing this, you guys need to appreciate, because I just help people for free, right? I don't benefit anything from all this giveaway. So as I was going through the comments, I saw this one from this guy from Nigeria. I don't know how to pronounce the name. So the first comment was like, "Hi, Mr. TCee. I'm Ibn Lua from Nigeria. I just come across your YouTube channel. You make trading effortless." And then there was also another comment, and he said, "This is my 50 years as a trader, but the only money I withdraw is commission, not from trading profits. It's been difficult for me to fund my trading. I'm currently unemployed. I beg you to do something for me, coach, just once." Okay. And then there was a third comment. "Pick me up for giveaway challenge. I watched so many videos of you resurrecting 10 accounts." And then there's this last comments. "I don't have much to say. All I know, BOR can do wonders. Thank you in advance." Okay. So there was this also comment. "Take me for account management. Let me be your testimony for today. Thanks." Was that demo or real? Okay. So this is where I choose people for giveaway, right? If you wonder how I take people for giveaway, so I guess today I'm gonna take the first comment. I'm going to choose this guy for giveaway. Okay, let me send me your login. Send me your MT5 login details on my email, right? So the thing is, I no longer want to use WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is fully loaded with unread messages. Okay, so there's too much traffic on WhatsApp. So sorry for any inconvenience. Alright, so email address is tafazo chinyavada with gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com. So if he didn't send, if he fails to send, the login details, I guess the next person I will take for the next person, if this guy fails to send the login details on my email, the next person I will choose for giveaway. Let me see. I guess this is the second option. This guy is the second option. If the first one fails to submit the MT5 login details. Okay, so I'm gonna wait and see by tomorrow if he fails to send them. If he fails to send the login details, MT5 login details by tomorrow, I will choose this guy for giveaway. Send me your MT5 login details for giveaway. Deposits dollar email address. Okay, so let's wait and see. I will give you update on each and every process, because I don't benefit anything from doing giveaways, and I enjoy helping people, and at the same time growing my platform, right? Okay, so if you're new to this trading channel, make sure that you click the notification bell icon, you subscribe, and also you join my Telegram channel, because you never know, you might be the next person to win the giveaway challenge, right? So right now, let's wait for these two people. If the first one fails, I'm gonna take the second person for the giveaway, and I will give you updates. So hold on, let's wait and see. Well, so a few hours later, the guy managed to send the email. I just received the email 2 minutes ago, and this is there. This is what she wrote. Greetings, coach. I don't know how to pronounce the name, from YouTube. She told me to drop my MT5 details on email. The problem, I don't have money in my MT5. Currently, the balance is 000. Now I got, but I do get commission in 1 or 2 days. There will be something in my account. The situation is messy. I could have funded $5, but my wallet is empty. I don't know where to start. And then he dropped the MT5 details, and I'm already in the account. This is the account, right? So let's wait for commission. Then we start the challenge. Okay, then we start the challenge.
A few moments later.
So it's the next day, 7:48 in the morning, and I just checked the account, and there was a daily commission of 0.88 cents. Okay, so this is the money that we have been waiting for. No time to waste, so let the game begin. Okay, it's now time to look for setup. Well, so a few minutes later, or so a few hours later, the trade was already in profits, right? You can see that as soon as the market reaches this level, it went all the way up, okay? As soon as the market reached this level, it went all the way up, and since we are scalping, I guess we are going to close this trade right now, okay? Because we are going to close this trade. Right now, I'm using the simplest concept of price action, okay? I'm using the simplest concept of price action because if you connect this area, you will see that there's a support right here. There's a support right here. There's a support. So right here, I just connected a zone of support, right? Nothing much complicated, which is right here. And at the same time, on that same zone of support, there's a retracement and a retest. You see the market was going up, and then it came for the retest on this peak, creating another retest right here. Okay, so right now the account is on $10.24. Let's close right here. Okay, let's close right here, and then let's close, and then we look for another setup. Okay, we'll look for another setup. So right here is volatility 50 1S, and I'm about to take my third trade, and you can see that the trade reached a level of resistance, and you now know what I look for when I'm about to take a trade, right? So I did the analysis on my laptop, and right now I'm anticipating this thing to sell all the way down. So I just entered, and I'll wait and see how the market is going to react to my analysis.
A few moments later.
So, a few moments later, you can see that the trade there was no any drawdown. As soon as I executed the trade went in profit, and right now the way I have analyzed the market. This is the results. I don't see any reason to keep on holding the trade once you made such profit. Right now, I'm about to close with 143. I'm about to close with $143, and it's time to take profits. It's time to take profit, and there's progress. Remember, I started this account at 0, so I had to wait for the commission so that we can start the work. Okay, I had to wait for the commission, and I just closed.
A few moments later.
And after closing volatility 51S, there's a nice selling opportunity on crash 300. As you are seeing, crash 300 reached a major resistance level, and as usual, these are the area where we sell. Okay, these are the areas where we sell. So without wasting any time, I just took a sell on this pair. But then this pair is very volatile, right? It's very volatile. One smallest lot size can blow your account in just a matter of minutes. So I had to be careful. I had to be careful. As I seen, I'm already in the trade, and I got three trades, and I added another one right now. I've got 4 running trades. So let's see how the market is going to react to my analysis. But then the disadvantage is this pair takes a lot of margin, right? So you can see that I've got 153 in the account, but the margin required for us to trade this pair is 117. Okay,
A few moments later.
so a few minutes later, the spike that we've been waiting for came, right? The spike is so huge, and there's about 205 floating profit right now from 153. So right now the total is 358, right? So I guess it's now time to close. Well, so for this account, I guess I'm done, because this week there are no setup. If I keep on trading without any setup with high probability, I might end up losing all the money, right? So it's wise to stop trading, and I will continue when they are setups. Okay, when they are set up. So for this giveaway, I guess I'm gonna end right here on 359, and then I will take another account on the comments, on the people who are going to comment on this video. Okay, I will take another account on the people who are going to comment on this video, and the next account I will push it to 1000 or 1500, depending with the market setup, or depending with the market structure of the market, right? So those who are wondering how exactly do you get commission, you get commission by just creating an affiliate account, and then you start to push that link, and people, you have to create account under your link. Okay, that's how you're gonna get commission, like how Isaac got his. Okay, so it's easy. I'll put the link in the description, and the process, how exactly do you do it, and you can that's another way of earning money. Okay, if you don't have money to fund your trading account, you can also earn through inviting people to the broker. Okay, so I guess I'll leave this account to the owner. I'll leave this account to Isaac with 359, and I'll take another one. So you never know, you might be the next lucky giveaway winner. So just say something in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, we are on 21,900 subscribers. We are just left with a few subscribers to reach 22,000. So make sure you subscribe and comment and like. Okay, don't forget to like, and also to join my Telegram channel. I'll send 1 or 2 signals, okay, on the free Telegram channel. So make sure you just click the link for the Telegram community. It takes less than 30 seconds to join the Telegram community. So see you on the next video.